Damn, dude. Interesting route. Fully village road, yep. I think in general it's just going to be colder and nicer here. Yeah. Yeah. You love what? Oh, me too, man. There's such a holiday vibe, no? Understandable, that's okay. So this was a kind of cool thing we saw on the way. Lovely place, huh? Chalo, let's go. Sorry? How did you do it? There we go. ना
कितना गाड़ी
एक S20 all right, final stretch. Yes, road. I love road. Oh, whoever told off-road was fun. On very specifically on these bikes, which weren't meant to go there. That is a little sketchy, I would say. I love it. Oh damn! Look at the water over there. Whoa! We should stop on the way back down. Oh, we can stop here. Yo! Look at that, dude! Damn! Alright, Aboli, after a little bit of sketchy off-road, we have made it. How's it feel? Damn. A little bit of the bike view. Thank you. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go. Photographer. This is what's at the top. Should have come here much earlier. 3 hours earlier maybe. Alright, so now we're done with this spot and we are heading over to KPR, no? What was it? Krishnagiri Dam, which is over there in the distance. Just checked it on the map, it's about 45 minutes out. And once we're done with that, we'll probably head home. I'm thinking of touching Ambur for biryani, just for the biryani, but let's see. It's very greenish blue and strange actually. Oh, the dam is there. That's pretty insane. I did not expect so many people. Interesting choice of gates, I suppose. Really quite a few people over here. Not as bad as Kaban Park though, pretty good. Are you trying to cover both of us and failing miserably at it?
Yeah.
That's too funny, man.
For me to walk with an umbrella with you, I have to walk like those VIP and they're like holding you.
You are just hitting my head. Oh my god, I'm tripping. Just, you can... I relieve you of your duties. And problems. You look like you, if given a choice, you would do a hate crime against ants. Wouldn't you?
No comment.